In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send ETH from Coinbase. If you find value in this video, consider subscribing to the channel. Open up the Coinbase app on your iOS or phone device. Now locate the asset that you want to send from Coinbase. In this sense, I want to send some Ethereum. Click send. And make sure that you are checking the Ethereum network. And then under the address, you can copy and then you can paste the address, or you can scan it with a QR code on the receiving end. So my phone has detected that it is pasted from another wallet, and I'm going to click allow paste. As you can see, you can click the wallet that you'd like to send it. In this case, it's another wallet, and then click continue. Now, right here, you can type in how much Ethereum you would like to send. In this case, I'm going to send a small amount for transaction and educational purposes only. You can even add a note if you would like, and you can even preview the transaction on what it would look like before you actually send it. As you can see, the network is to Ethereum. You have to your other wallet. I have a note, and it even have the send time, which says it's estimated to be less than 5 minutes, and we have the total. There's even a small network fee. And then now we click send. Congratulations, you have just sent Ethereum from Coinbase. Check out the playlist for more videos like this and subscribe to the channel if you found value.